Hey everybody, I am here to talk to you about how to grow a good garden crop, which is a huge topic, and I'm going to try to water it down for you into 4 major points. The first is good soil, and the same as the parable in the Bible, you need to make sure it is clear of rocks and other things that will steal away from your seeds and your plants, like weeds. And then on top of that, you need to make sure that the soil is going to have enough nutrients in it to feed your plants all season long. So it's important to add organic matter like compost each year to give the plants nutrients for the whole season. Number 2 is sun and water. So you need to have, on average, 6 hours or more for your vegetables. Most vegetables will not tolerate much less than 6 hours of full sun every day. So find your sunniest spot in your yard and your vegetables will probably be happy. As far as watering goes, in general, you need about 1 inch of water per week for your plants to grow healthily. And that doesn't mean water them once a week. It means that overall your watering will accumulate to 1 inch a week. And you also need to take into consideration whether it's rained or not. If it's rained, you don't need to go out and do extra watering, whereas if it's a dry season, you need to make sure you're out there every 2 to 3 days giving a good soak that will be probably about ½ inch each watering. The third point is trimming or thinning and pruning. And for me, the hardest part of gardening is thinning my little baby plants. It's inevitable. When you sow your seeds, you're going to sow more than you need because you know that you're going to go back, see how many have sprout up, and thin out to the proper spacing. And different plants need different spacing. Tomatoes and like broccoli and cauliflower, they need like 18 to 24 inches between each plant. They take a lot of nutrients from the soil and they need a lot of soil to themselves in order to feed themselves all season long. Whereas peas and beans and carrots can be spaced just 4 inches apart. So you can find that information on the back of your seed packets when you buy it, or a friendly neighbor might tell you. But it is very important that you do thin the seeds as much as it may pain you. The second part of that is pruning. And pruning is important. 1, you need to take off anything that has a disease that is going to damage the rest of the plant if you leave it. And 2, you need to remove any of the extra plant. It may be healthy, but you're trying to grow specifically that vegetable, and all these extra leaves and other parts of the plant may be taking nutrients away, and so you would end up with a smaller, less impressive fruit if you didn't prune off those extra bits. For example, a pumpkin will get a flower and it'll set fruit and you'll have a pumpkin, and then the vine will continue growing, but it's not going to bear fruit on the rest of that vine. So once you've got your pumpkins that you see have gone, you can chop off the rest and leave all that energy to go towards your pumpkin. And same with tomatoes. It grows lots of extra leaves. And even sometimes if you let it, it'll grow extra branches and it'll grow tomatoes on all those branches. But if you leave them all there, you'll end up with very small, insignificant fruit. Whereas if you cut off and sacrifice some other ones, you'll end up with bigger, healthier fruit that will be much more rewarding. And then the fourth point is timing. In Canada, especially when we have a shorter growing season, timing is very important. There are plants that cannot tolerate coldness at all. There are some that can. Things like peas and broccoli and stuff, that you can start them a little bit earlier before the frost comes and they'll be just fine. But things like tomatoes, even if you planted them out there on the very first warm day in our season, there wouldn't be enough days for them to mature before they get hit by the frost in the fall, and they would die before they'd give you your fruit. So those sorts of things you need to start early and then move them outdoors. Also, it's important that you don't start too late. You can't plant watermelon in August and expect it to be able to bear fruit and ripe fruit before the frost hits in the fall. So very important with timing, and again, you will probably find the information on the back of a seed packet telling you the timing and how to sow those seeds. That's it. Those are my 4 points. Hopefully I got them all in, and I hope they are helpful for you. If you have any more questions, let me know.